and today I'm going to show you the number 37 Hino Snorkel fire engine. So that's the hose, and those are the tires, like you. So there's the other side. This is the same thing, mini mass. Okay, what? There's some details and there's some details in the front and rear, and this, oh my gosh, this is really cool, and the bucket moves and you can see the hose rear. Whoa. And this, it turns. What? So we're going to compare it to this one. Okay, let's compare. This one's small. Let's see. Come on. Oh, it's so small. What? Okay. So cool. Make sure you follow my page.